Oh, look at these people getting coming to Talbot Square. Oh my God! Look at that! Oh! Look at the puddle. Look at the way the wind is blowing. I'm actually almost being lifted off my feet at the moment. Abingdon Street Market. Look at this. Ooh, this is where everybody is. Look at that. Oh my God! It is absolutely packed. But listen to that sound as the wind blows through there. That is pretty scary, folks. Oh, that crane doesn't come tumbling down. Oh my goodness. Welcome to another video, Walk on the Wild Side, and I'm here in Blackpool town centre. It's a Saturday night. The time's around about 7 o'clock in the evening, and it's a wild and windy night in Blackpool tonight. We've got the Christmas tree, one of the Christmas trees behind us. I'm in Bickerstaff Square, just outside the council offices. Oh my God, it's wild tonight in Blackpool. So this is where I am, in the middle of town centre, just across from the train station over there. If you saw my Storm video, I'm filming this on the same night, just a few hours later. It's gone pretty dark, of course, at the moment. It's a foul night in Blackpool tonight, and I thought I'd take a walk around and see what it's like. What's it going to be like? Oh, there's not going to be too many people out tonight, is there? Come on, look at this, it's shocking. Oh, can you hear that wind? Oh my goodness, the rain is coming down as well. I'm trying to take cover at the moment underneath this thing here. This is the council offices, by the way. This big glass structure here. Look at that, they've got a padlock on the front there, look. A padlock there to keep people out there, look. I've only ever been in there once, you know, in that building there. Yeah, and it's been up about 10 years. So, oh, we're just coming onto my favourite street now, Cookson Street. Just over there is Mr. Bazri's, which is absolutely stuffed, by the way. There's so many people in Mr. Bazri's, looking down Cookson Street there towards the, well, you know what down there, don't you? Oh, a few people in the gym working out. Better off being in there than out here. Oh, look at these people getting off. I tell you, it's that bad, honestly. We've got gusts of 65 miles an hour tonight in Blackpool. If I turn this corner now, oh, we're going to be heading right into it. Oh my God, I can hardly walk. Oh my goodness. Look at everybody running. We've got a big, if you're going this way, you've got a major tailwind. Oh, I'll tell you what, the people are having fun tonight. In this weather, with these winds. I'm trying to make my way down the road. We've got the bright lights at Mark Kelly's over there. Oh. It's not nice to be out tonight at all. And Christmas by the Sea was cancelled, yeah. So we're just going past Warwick's Amusements. Just over there, of course, we've got Mark Kelly's. Yeah, let's take a closer look over that way, shall we? I'll tell you what, that sign there is a bit of a trip hazard, yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to head across the road. Let's head across here, shall we? Oh my goodness. Sorry if the camera's a bit wobbly. Oh, we're just by where the tram tracks come in. Trams will be coming along here soon. Just looking straight over towards Mark Ellis. There's a bit underneath there, and I can see some people huddled under there. Yeah, probably some street people down there. Yeah, what's it like at Mark Ellis? It's actually seems quite lively out here at the moment, you know. Oh yeah, Look at that, those people going in there. There you go. I'll tell you what, it's banging in there. In Mark Kelly's, yeah. But it's better to be in there than it is to be out here, because it's pretty horrendous. I can hear people singing. Just going past the burger and kebab places. Probably be a bit busier later. Look at all this rubbish blowing all over the place here. Look, oh my goodness. Anybody fancy any booze? Look what have we got here. Look, oh, look at all that Jack Daniels, whiskey. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm not a spirit person, but they have got everything in this place here. Look at this. It's even got a new sign as well. Look, bargain beer. There you go. I seem to remember when that was a chippy, or was it the one next door? Oh, we've got the bright lights of Blackpool now. Tattoo parlour on the corner. This shop seems to change every few months, this one here. Tattoo. I'll tell you what, we're not short on tattoo parlours in Blackpool, are we? And as we look over this way, of course we've got Funny Girls. Look at that, Funny Girls over there. There you go. We're in the Pride Village now. Some more takeaways here. The Mario's. I have spoken about Mario's in previous videos. It's got a bit of a questionable past, that takeaway there, when it was called Funny Boys. So we're just across the road from Funny Girls now, and yeah, it's a bit of a rotten night in Blackpool tonight. That's a new shop here. Look, it's got up there hair design, and it's a convenience store. I just ran into someone there. There's so many convenience stores around, isn't there? They're everywhere, aren't they? They're like Turkish barbers, aren't they? They're absolutely everywhere. So this is how it looks around here. Still early in the night, but yeah, weather's shocking. Check it out, look how wrapped up I am. Anyway, I'm not using my new camera for this video, no chance. I'm using my old one. There's no chance I'm getting my new fancy camera all wet, because it's not that waterproof anyway. Even the one I'm using now is not waterproof. But anyway, let's carry on, shall we? But it's surprisingly rowdy tonight at the moment. I'm not sure whether we've got football fans in town, but there's a few people that are a little bit shouty. Sounds like it's kicking off over there. Got a bunch of lads there. I don't know, but I'm on Queen Street now, by the way. Yeah, look at this. We've got the bright lights of Queen Street. Yes. So this is like where get some quite a lot of action down here at night when the clubs are going. But on a wet Saturday night with 65 mile an hour gusting winds, it looks more like this. Mind, it is still a little bit early. Plenty of time for more people, but this is how it looks at the moment. Oh, it's absolutely foul, folks. We've got bar 19 over there, of course. There's always banging in bar 19, isn't it? Walkabout down here, you've seen it so many times. I want to give this place a shout here. Spartan Gyros. Check it out if you're coming to Blackpool. It's got some awesome stuff in there. Very authentic Greek cuisine in there. As I almost get run over by a taxi. We've just come down here to... Oh my God. I'm having to battle through the wind, folks. We'll have a little look on the promenade when I get a chance, but... oh, look at this. Look at that. Terrible. I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to head to St John's Square and I want to see the main Christmas tree in Blackpool is still standing, because remember when they put that Christmas tree up the first time, it blew down in winds similar to what we've got tonight. Yeah, so I hope it's still up. So we'll go and check that out. I'll go and head down the strand here. Yeah, it's a here. Ooh, bloody hell. I tell you what, you've got to be careful down here, because cars, taxis come flying down here. There's a black dancing club there. It's shut at the moment. They've got food bars there. Quite a few people out going to the club's. Got a great view of the tower as we pass Pop World. Cracking view of the tower there. There's all sorts of litter blowing all over the place. Oh, it's a mess, folks. A bit of a clean-up job for the council tomorrow, I think. Oh my goodness, this is going to be. Oh, I can see the wind. Oh, this is not good, folks. Oh, just going to Talbot Square. Oh my God. Oh, can you see that? Look at that. Oh, look at the puddle. Look at the way the wind is blowing. I'm actually almost being lifted off my feet at the moment as I'm in Talbot Square. Oh my God, this is really, really scary actually, folks. Oh, that's the trilogy over there. It's pretty well lit up actually. Oh, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to head over this way. Let's head over here if I can get across the road like this. We'll head down Market Street here, and then we'll head towards St John's Square, and we'll see if the Christmas tree's still up. Oh no! Oh! Oh my God! It's terrible! Well, I'm now on Market Street. Oh, some people are sheltering there, look, from the wind. Someone has lost a hat, I'm afraid. It's a nice looking hat there as well, bobble hat there. So let's head down here. There's the Yateses there. Well, that's a funny kind of funny way to dress up on a night like tonight. Must be on a stag do, possibly. There'll be a few stag do's, always stag do's. This is a Leighton race. You've seen it a few times on my channel. Brannigan's just warming up at the moment down here. I've been down here a few times. Obviously it takes us towards the promenade, but I'm not going to go on the promenade because, to be quite honest, it's a bit too bad, folks. So I'm going to turn back round. Guys, I think that doorway there. So I wouldn't like to be on the streets on a night like tonight, I'm telling you now. It's pretty horrendous. I mean, it doesn't really get much worse than this, but if I just show you this way, we can see the tower. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Okay, now I was actually meaning to head to the promenade, but it's so bad at the moment. We've got the highest gusts at the moment, up to 65 miles an hour happening right now, so I've decided not to go on the promenade. There is one thing though, in all this rain, they'd be great for the reflections on the illuminations. That's one thing about it being like this. Okay, so we're just now going on the Brilliance, and they've got a bit of a show going. Look at this, we've got the lights and we've got the music going, and yes, I can't really play too much of it because of musical pickup, so yeah, a little look at Brilliance on a wet night in Blackpool. But I'm just heading towards St John's Square now. In fact, that tune has just finished now, so we're safe. Let's see if oh, I think it is, you know, the Christmas tree's still standing, but that's great. Yeah, it's just coming up to Aberdeen Street now and St John's Square. Just going past some West Coast Rock Diner, very, very popular in Blackpool. Here's a look down Aberdeen Street, Christmas lights and reflections, of course. There's a West Coast Rock. just across from the Winter Gardens. Bringing you a bit of the atmosphere of Blackpool on a wet Saturday night. And as we look this way, check it out, we've got the Christmas tree. It's still standing. It hasn't blown over like it did the first time when you put it up. Look at that. That's the main Christmas tree we've got in Blackpool there. They had some Christmas markets here last time and they've done away with that this year. They've decided not to bother having Christmas markets here. We have also got a bauble as well over there. Check it out, the bauble. But yeah, a little look at Blackpool on a wet Saturday night, wet and windy Saturday night. There you go. Well, some people are having fun anyway. Here's a quick look at Cedar Square, just up from St John's Square, and I'm just outside Abingdon Street Market. Look at this. Oh, I tell you what, it's lively in here. Look at this. Oh, this is where everybody is. Look at that. Oh my God, it is absolutely packed. It is absolutely packed in there, folks. It's buzzing in Abingdon Street Market. How about that? Here's a quick scan of Topping Street. Yeah, the pubs and bars are pretty busy. I cannot believe how busy it was in Abingdon Street Market. Wow. I've got to show you this, folks. I've just come round the back of Topping Street, and this is the new development for the DWP, which they're getting on with. Look, they put these windows in here. Look at that. But listen to that sound as the wind blows through there. That is pretty scary, folks. Oh, that crane doesn't come tumbling down. Oh my goodness. So that was a little look at Blackpool Town Centre on a windy and wet night. Absolutely foul, awful weather we've had today. They had to cancel the Christmas by the Sea on the promenade because it was so bad. And that was a little look at how it was in the town centre. Actually quite lively, I must say. It's quite lively where I am now. There's people having fun inside this Christmas bauble right here. So anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and also hit subscribe and tick the bell for notifications of new videos, and I'll see you again on the next one.